Spring duty, everybody. Today we take in the Corvette, we get it ready for the new year and some new upgrades to the Corvette, to the channel, and we bring you along for the full ride today. We get the wrap fixed up, we get the front emblem fixed up, and we even show off a beautiful Z06 Corvette in the video, including taking you over to an awesome shop called 7 Wraps, where they have a McLaren on display, beautiful Range Rover, and the owner gave me a full tour of the shop. So we'll do all that on today's video, including some other fun pulls and a bunch of other things with the C8 Corvette. So hit that like button, stay tuned, and enjoy the video, everybody. What is up, you guys? First order of business today is we are getting the vinyl wrap fixed. So one of the things that happened is I had my vinyl wrap and it had a bubble on it, and during the winter it just cracked, and then it just got much worse. So I've been waiting for the winter to end. I'm bringing it over to 7 Wraps to get it redone. So we're going to take this fresh vinyl wrap, or this, not fresh, excuse me, but we're going to take this vinyl wrap off and replace it with a nice fresh black wrap, and that's going to be the first order of business today, in a day where we're doing a couple different upgrades to the C8 Corvette, kind of accentuating that black and white interior that we have, including with a new front badge, which we will show you later on today. So first order of business, we're bringing it over to 7 Wraps, and we are getting the vinyl wrap on the Targa top all fixed up, necessary here as we hit spring. So I was waiting for spring, and now we're getting it nice and cleaned up. Let's go. A little bit of a nasty day out, but we're going to get it cleaned up, and then we'll take it over to get the car fresh cleaned as well. What up, guys? We're on our way over to 7 Wraps. I'm pretty pumped about this because I had the wrap like that for a long time. Well, it happened in like January, and I wasn't going to get it fixed in the middle of the winter, so I waited on it. I got a recommendation for 7 Wraps, so that's where I'm heading today, and I'm excited to get it fixed, man. We're gonna have the fresh top on there. I have some other great ideas to kind of accentuate that black and white the car, the monochromatic car. I got the black badge going on as well, so a little sneak peek of that, and we'll do that today as well. So a couple different things we're doing aesthetically to the car, and then one other thing as well on the tail lights of the car. So we'll get that done as well. Should look pretty good, guys. So thanks for locking in. Let's see how this thing comes out. Love driving my Corvette. All right, we are coming up on 7 Wraps. About 0.2 miles away, as you can see there on the GPS. And let's get this thing handled, see how it looks when we come out on the other side. All right, we've arrived at 7 Wraps. Shop looks pretty awesome. Let's get it in there. I can see them working on something right now. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't exactly see what it is, but beautiful shop, store shop. This lady's helping me out. Thank you very much. Thank you. Pretty sweet shop, guys. Check it out. 7 Wraps. I got this awesome old Porsche right here. Corporate. I got corporate stuff, wraps there. Really looks awesome. Nice waiting room. See if you're a tint, if you're getting tints. Wow, this shop is dope, man. Tons of cars in here. Looks excellent. So she told me that the thing that takes a while is removing it, obviously. So it's sitting out there. It's the removal process that can take forever. It's not the wrap job. So, you know, we'll see how it goes. She got this table in the waiting room. Engine block. That's sick. Freaking sick. That is so cool. Man, I love this shop. This is a really cool shop. You got all like the vinyls over here. Just look through them all. Really cool. Little snack, coffee. This lady's working on a wrap here. See, they got a lot of cars in here, man. Pretty awesome. I don't have my glasses on. This guy's working on the AT&T trucks. Looks awesome.
This car used to be glossy. So
Yeah, right. Wow, that's a beautiful Audi. Look at this McLaren, guys.
this is a paint protection film, so this means that it'll be protected from rock chips
Yeah,
and
right.
scratches, but it also makes it matte at the same time. So it's like the 2-foot.
Yeah, right.
Change the look of it, and then you get the.
Looks awesome. Sweet Audi.
Is this?
Love this McLaren, man. That red is incredible. That wasn't the wrap, right? That's the paint.
That's the wrap.
That's the. Wow.
This is the paint. This
Wrap
is the
looks
wrap.
phenomenal.
Yeah, and then so we powder coated his wheels, and then we didn't paint his calipers. I think somebody has painted calipers.
Yeah, I might do the calipers.
Yeah, I.
Looks super awesome. Appreciate her showing me the shop too. Wow, cool. Thank you for showing me the shop. I love looking at it.
And that's our detail base, so like that wax around the coated, you can see our shine.
Oh yeah.
And
Yeah.
then we tint.
Yeah.
So,
I have tints on. I would have came here. I didn't know. I never knew about this place.
Really?
Yeah, I mean I looked, but yeah, this place is great.
Thank you.
Wow, really awesome. She's going in. That lady is so awesome. That lady. She's the owner. Her and her husband, and they have one other business partner. Really awesome lady. Very helpful, and showed me around the whole shop. Shop is dope. McLaren back there. Urus back there. This guy's working on the company truck. Looks sick. Check it out. They're working on the vet now. There they are. Sweet. Love it. This guy in the Green Bay Packers hat. You see they're heating it up. It's pretty sweet. Take it right off. All right, you can see it's mostly off now. This guy's crushing it. So this guy, shout out to this guy cleaning up the vet, getting this wrap off. This is where it broke, obviously. Gotta clean that up. Looks pretty cool with white. Cleaned up right there. So it's all emptied out, and they're cleaning it off. So we're getting closer, folks. We're going with the black metallic. So the black metallic is what matches. You can see the car looks pretty good though. So they do caliper wrap in here. They'll paint, or they'll paint your calipers. I might have to break the monochromatic look. I know I'm doubling down on it right now, but oh my goodness, orange calipers would look so awesome. You can see they're polishing it up still. I had all that guck left on there, so they'll wrap it up once they're done. There he goes. Yeah. Mind if I film real quick, bro? Thanks for wrapping it up, bro. Yeah, looks good. Looks awesome. All right, I'll show you guys it when it's done. Look how clean it looks. Oh wow, that's fire looking. What's your name, bro?
Kyle.
What's your name?
Kyle.
Kyle? Yeah. Nice, Kyle. Look, bro, you're on camera. You'll get used to it quick if you start it. Looks great, Kyle. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Still a little shop walk around here. McLaren. Looks, folks. Let's see how it looks. He said I'm gonna want to replace the whole wrap now because it's so clean, and it is. It is meticulous and perfect. We finally have a fixed wrap, man. I had a bubble there on my wrap since I got the car. So, all right, let's get this sucker home. We got to get her in, get her cleaned, and then we also have our badge appointment today. We're getting the black badge up front. So we're gonna match the black badge, get that monochromatic look. I just talked to him about painting the calipers as well. So we'll get that done, all right, and we'll do it. All right, folks, we're on our way back from 7 Wraps. What a great shop that was. the owner, or at least the owner's wife, Alicia, I think her name was. She was phenomenal, great to talk to, showed me the whole shop. Jake, who worked on the wrap, Chris, who was the manager, a lot of great people. This is not a paid promotion, by the way. They're definitely a cool shop. You know, you take your car to a shop, you just want to feel good about the shop. That was pretty awesome. So I talked to Chris on the way out, or not Chris, excuse me, Andrew, and Andrew said to me, I asked him about getting the calipers painted, and I asked him about, you know, he's like, you're going to want to fix the rest of the wrap too. So I didn't think there was anything wrong with the rest of the wrap, but now that you have a new one on there, maybe you want to go that route too. So I'll probably bring it back to 7 wraps before the end of the summer, and maybe we'll get the calipers painted. What do you guys think? I got the monochromatic car with the black calipers, but shit, man, orange calipers with that orange wheel, woo, that might look really good. So I will see what that looks like, or if that's the route we end up going. But overall, a great trip to 7 wraps. I'll show you guys a little bit more about more of the wrap job when I get home. Thanks. Every once in a while, you'll forget how amazingly fun these cars are, and then you just drop it in a second. And you just get reminded so quick why we love cars. I mean, literally, I've had the car for 8 months. I'm just effusively smiling on my way home as I hit the gas. Amazing. I freaking love these cars, man. Drop it in a second. Man, that car is so fun. Got a nice little straight here. Woo! Woo! All right, Easter weekend, so people are filling in at the house. We got a lot of people in the driveway, but look at how good the wrap looks. Literally perfection. Perfection all around. Very well done. The guy's right. I should have probably done all fresh, but looks pretty good. And they really did a good job. Shout out Kyle. Shout out 7 wraps. So looks pretty banging. Now we are taking it over right now to get it fixed, cleaned up at Wheelworks, and then we'll get the badge done in a little bit. So let's keep rolling here on the upgrades today. Cleaning it up. Very good. All right, folks. Car is finally clean, man. I tried to get it in last couple days and they were closed, so finally clean. Next up now we are going to Bryner Chevrolet. They're going to install the front badge on the Corvette, so that should look pretty good. All right, fresh, clean. Next thing up is the badge, guys. So we got a car, looks beautiful, all fresh and clean finally. Next thing up is the badge. All right, so we have the regular carbon emblem that has the red Corvette on there. We are going to the carbon black. So it's going to be carbon and black on the other side. So car looks nice and clean, looking pretty damn good. Love this big Husky Tahoe. My sister-in-law's here. All right, nice and clean. And now we are going to go to the Chevy store. I didn't want to do it myself. I mean, I don't have the right heat gun and front emblem, guys. I just don't want to I don't want to mess it up. So I'm bringing it to the Chevy store. Let's go get this new emblem on the front. All right, we are up at Bryner Chevrolet. We're gonna get the carbon emblem put on here. They have a Sebring Orange Z06 in there. So we're gonna go take a look at that while they put this on. I gotta go talk to somebody and we're gonna get the sucker in. I don't wanna do it myself, so we'll see how they do it. Let me go find somebody to talk to and we'll see you on the other side. All right, guys, this is what's coming next on the channel. Sebring Orange Z06. Holy moly. That is beauteous. Man. That's a showstopper. See, the Sebring I like a lot more in person than I thought. I thought I would like the Amplify Orange better, but the Sebring goes crazy. What do we got? MSRP on this? 148,155. Woo, the Z06s are expensive. With the Orange seat belts on the inside. And this is a 26, obviously. You can see the upgraded, the changed interior. Man. I love the wheels that the Z06s come with. They're so nice. Pilot Sport 4S is on there. Man, that's badass. One day, folks. You can see they're working on it. Where's the guy working on it? All right, let's see how this black badge looks. Whew, car looks clean as hell. Oh yeah. Dude, the black is sick. Straight black badge. Now matches. Oh yeah. Black badge now matches the full black and white interior. Hell yeah. All right, folks, we are back, and this thing looks awesome. The black with the black and white, got the fresh top on there. All right, we are getting ready for spring. We're getting these new wheels this summer. We got the black badge on there. We got the black and white. We got the black and white, obviously. Oh, I don't have my key on me. It's locked, sorry. But, man, got freshly cleaned today. I love the look of that. Now we have one other black accent to add today, okay? And that is taillight tints, all right? So we got these taillights. We are going to put some tints on them. So we'll do that next. Let's go. Sun's coming out. Let's go. Nothing like a little spring duty on the C8 Corvette. Let's go. A little cliffhanger. I know, everybody, the taillight video is going to be next, but today we got the emblem on, we got the wrap fixed perfectly, and this car is starting to take shape. Wait till you guys see how it looks with the taillight video. That's going to be a separate video. I ended up with too much footage, so we'll split it into two. Go and subscribe to the channel. We have a bunch more upgrades and ideas coming for this C8 Corvette to make this the most beautiful Arctic white C8 on YouTube. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button. Thanks for tuning in today. Drop your comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. If you own a C8 Corvette, if you're thinking about buying a C8 Corvette, converse with me. I will comment back to everybody. So appreciate you all watching today, and I will catch you guys on the next video.